friends, it's Sai Krishna. Today I'm going to teach you young animals and their birds and their homes. Cow, calf, heifer, shed, horse, cot, filly, stable, dog, pup, kennel, cat, kitten, house, goat, kid, pen, sheep, lamb, pen, donkey, foal, shed, baby pig, sty, baby rabbit, burrow, baby rat, hole, baby elephant, forest, hen chick, coop, lion cub, cave, tiger cub, cave, jaguar cub, cave, bear cub, cave, zebra foal, forest, baby kangaroo, forest, fawn, grove, baby birds, nest, duckling, water, gooseling, water, baby swan, water, baby alligator, water. Thank you.